An impulse purchase, or impulse buying, is an unplanned decision to buy a product or service made just before a purchase. One who tends to make such purchases is referred to as an impulse purchaser or impulse buyer. Research findings suggest that emotions and feelings play a decisive role in purchasing, triggered by seeing the product or upon exposure to a well-crafted promotional message. Marketers and retailers tend to exploit these impulses, which are tied to the basic want for instant gratification. For example, a shopper in a supermarket might not be specifically shopping for confectionery. However, candy, gum, mints, and chocolate are prominently displayed at the checkout aisles to trigger impulse buyers and/or their children to buy what they might not have otherwise considered. Alternatively, impulse buying can occur when a potential customer spots something related to a product that stirs a particular passion in them, such as seeing a certain country's flag on the cover of a certain DVD. Sale items are displayed in much the same fashion. Impulse buying can also extend to more expensive items, such as automobiles and home appliances. Automobiles in particular are as much an emotional purchase as a rational one. This in turn leads to auto dealers all over the world marketing their products in a rapid-fire, almost carnival-like manner designed to appeal to emotion over reason. Impulse buying disrupts the normal decision-making models in consumers' brains. The logical sequence of the consumer's actions is replaced with an irrational moment of self-gratification. Impulse items appeal to the emotional side of consumers. Some items bought on impulse are not considered functional or necessary in the consumer's lives. Preventing impulse buying involves techniques such as setting budgets before shopping and taking time out before the purchase is made. A study published in the June 2008 issue of the Journal of Consumer Research suggests that consumers are more susceptible to making impulsive purchases for one brand over another if they are distracted while shopping. In this study, Central Michigan University psychology professor Brian Gibson surveyed college students by measuring their preference for a variety of soft drinks, including Coke and Pepsi. Results of Gibson's study found that implicit attitudes, or those that people may not be conscious of and able to verbally express, predicted product choice only when participants were presented with a cognitive task, suggesting that implicit product attitudes may play a greater role in product choice when the consumer is distracted or making an impulse purchase. Researchers at the University of British Columbia and the Chung Kong Graduate School of Business found that impulse spending is a behavior associated with disorganized environments. The study concluded that being surrounded by chaos impairs a person's ability to perform other tasks requiring brain power, which results in a threat to a person's sense of personal control.